I want to show you all the bathrooms my husband and I are remodeling in our house. This used to be all tile floor, and then tile halfway up the wall. So this was actually one bathroom, and it's weird because this door leads to a hall. This is the other side of the door from the hallway. And then you had a door here that led to the sink area. But then you had a door here that led to the foyer. So it was really weird because if you used the toilet, you needed to lock the door to the foyer and lock the door to the hall. So then whichever door you left, you had to remember to unlock the other door. It's just weird. So we're gonna make this part into a half bath and close this wall. And then this part will be a full bath. And there's a closet on the other side of this wall right here. And we're gonna open, well, it's too hard to explain right now, but this bathroom will be slightly larger. So we'll turn this bathroom into 1.5 baths. And let me just say that these photos were taken with my DSLR, and it makes the bathroom look a lot better than it actually was. I mean, it wasn't bad, but the tile was old and cracking. Besides that, the bronze, the gold, the glitter is just not my style. But if you want to see more videos of our remodel, leave a comment down below, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.